Hi, my name is Braden Killing and I own Thunderworks, a company that mainly focuses on building car system stereos as well as custom paint jobs. Now, this company was started by my father and he's allowed me to take over it. He always worked this company as a side project and I'm taking it further and running it full time. I'm also currently attending Oklahoma State University, going for a bachelor's degree in business. I'm expecting to use that to actually more effectively run the business and grow it considerably larger. But changing it into a larger business involves growing pains. The business has already proven to be profitable on a smaller scale and is already in multiple different states. So I come to you today not for startup money, but rather for expansion money. Building a box is complex, although it may not look like it. A large part of why my boxes are superior to everybody else's are the ports. I have a special program that allows us to roughly guess how long the port needs to be within the allotted cubic space the box in the car actually has inside of it. Most companies who build system stereos charge astronomical prices for subpar products that already typically mass-produce the product, such as Kicker. They mass-produce cheaply made substandard boxes. However, my boxes are custom built, taking the dimensions of the car into account for the best sound performance, as well as having the sine wave actually collapse inside of the cab. That way you have a higher SPL, which is sound pressure level. I've already done some research and uncovered that the best target markets for my company. These target markets are younger males who already have good jobs or older adult males who have the money to throw at their toys rather than having to spend it on their kids. There are several competitors in my market that are split into two different categories. A few car shops and stereo shops, as well as car collision repair shops. A few of these, the better known ones in Tulsa, are Car Toys, Boomers Audio, and Audio Advice. The car painting shops are more car collision repair anymore in Tulsa rather than custom paint jobs. But a few of them in Tulsa include Paint Master Collision Center, most of your car dealers, and many of the smaller shops. The market for custom work is out there, but there's nobody really to do it, and I feel like that gap needs to be filled. That is Thunderworks' niche. Okay, to further explain things a little bit better, we are in my shop. An example of a system box I'm currently working on is this. It has a 12-inch Hafler subwoofer, custom built for one of my client's 67 Camaro. I have it mocked up to play, and at this point I can check it for leaks and distortion before installing it in the car. Upon installation, then I will tune it. You have to check for every avenue of sound quality before you can actually install it into their car. Now, one of the differences you'll notice about this sub box, it's actually a 7th order. It has 2 different ports, and most stereo shops don't build these because of how complicated and time-consuming they are to build, but the sub is located in the center, which isolates its push and pull, making it significantly more effective and also more efficient while we're doing that. A lot of boxes are built as either a sealed or a 5th order, such as the one I'm about to show next. My next example is the one I actually have inside my own car. Recently, I decided to test a brand new brand of subwoofer in my personal car to see how it sounds before testing them in customer cars. Thus, why the box is still in progress. Notice the port's sticking out about 5 to 6 inches. This is so I can roughly tune the box in increments and reduce the size if necessary. I have not dealt with this brand before, and because of that, I like to experiment with it and find the little things that the computer or specs simply couldn't tell me. Some of the competitions my team has personally won are Thunder in the Ozarks and multiple years of People's Choice Awards in the Darryl Starbird Show. Back in 1993, Thunderworks took 3rd in a World SBO contest that was also held in Memphis. One of our biggest advertisers are our ex-clientele. Every time you go to a car show and they have one of our systems or one of our paint jobs, then they talk about us. And the word of mouth, as well as the physical car being there, is far more than you could ever get from a billboard or a commercial. Thank you for your time, and I hope to work with you in the future.